You thought we weren't?
Well, I don't know. I thought it might have been one of those made-up things that adults tell kids, like vitamins.
Miguel, vitamins are a real thing.
Well, now I'm thinking maybe they could be.
He spends 5 minutes with you and I have to fish him out of a sinkhole.
I wasn't in there because of Hector. He was in there because of me. Nothing is more important than family. I'm ready to accept your blessing and your conditions. But first, I need to find De La Cruz.
Baba was a musician. When I was a little girl, he and Mama would sing